deny the person wey dey here. Make I know whether e between or you don't dey fly. You still deny am. Somebody I called my love. Somebody I called my life. Somebody I called my heartbeat. You were caught, but you still deny it. Despite the fact I have proof. Nothing pay me pass that one say, I dey see proof. The proof dey my phone. And I dey ask you question. You dey tell me say, no, you went to your big mommy's house. Why you went to go see your ex? You lied to me that you guys have nothing again. Or now they talk to each other again. Now what you tell me? So they talk to each other again. Now what you tell me, oh? Now I'm not gonna no say when we marry, you still they talk to Ram. I don't know if you are getting me. I'm not gonna say when we marry, you see the talk to Ram. If you can deny this proof that the whole world.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lemon, I don't understand. If you dey miss your wife, just beg and make it come back to you. Change your attitude. Because videos where you dey do these days, me, I don't understand. This video what you do now, I don't understand. You dey say, you are not regretting, no. Mean they see regret for everybody, my dear. You see Odogu and the wife had they do their own. Now, they play love now. You see, do your own like that. Go take your wife back. If they painful, say you really marry, when a marriage come, they break up like that, you know. So go and settle with your wife. Remove pride. Go settle. Not where they never see for this world. Not where Musa never see for gate. Go settle with your wife. Not let people they give you wrong advice. Your wife na your wife. Even though you do wrong, no perfect in marriage. But another one you want to go carry tomorrow now. You don't know whether that one go worst past Mary. You understand? So if na me be you, go settle with your wife. Because the way you take the talk, you should say you still love her. You just like pride, no one make you go beg. Because you really overdo. You saw the family too much. It's too much now. We know say she do it wrong. And you not make us understand. Say that video where she go see is my people. That video don't tell before the prank where Mary do. Me even think say na of free set with like that same time where it do that prank. The video don't even tell the girl don't beg and put it on rest. You can't still go bring the video out after the girl can't do prank. If you want your big person when you do wrong, beat time. Not be when after later you come the out and join one way for the gram. It's not good. So make I put the video where Lemon do more than watch and more than I make sure this video.
Madam, no cap. You're regretting it. It's obvious you're regretting it. Have you ever asked yourself this question? If your boyfriend, your ex-boyfriend said, okay, yes, he truly loves you, right? Why he not marry you towards those time? We on the dates. Why he not marry you towards those time? I don't know. I don't just know what's your problem. I don't know how you're thinking. I don't just know. Why he not marry you towards those time? Why you know they pay your bills towards those time? Why you know they take good care of you towards those time? Now all these things you're supposed to think. Now all those things you're supposed to think. Now I never even gonna know the update say you were talking to him while we're married. It take me time for me to know. See when I see they talk. Meanwhile, you lied to me. You lied to me. You told me that you don't have anything to do with him again. Talking about your ex-boyfriend. This video playing now. What it be? That same very day I asked you That same very day, I ask you. You do me like this. Sit in your big mommy house, you go. Then what is this? You still deny it. I got to show you this video for your face. Okay, you did deny him. Oh yeah, who be this? Who be this? Oh yeah, like deny the person where they here. Make I know whether it between or you don't dey fly. You still deny him. Somebody I called my love. Somebody I called my life. Somebody I called my heartbeat. You were caught, but you still deny it. Despite the fact I have proof. Nothing pay me pass that one say, I dey see proof. The proof dey my phone. And I dey ask you question. You dey tell me say, no, you went to your big mommy's house. Why you went to go see your ex? You lied to me that you guys have nothing again. Or now they talk to each other again. Now what you tell me? So they talk to each other again. Now what you tell me, oh? Now I'm not gonna no say when we marry, you still they talk to Ram. I don't know if you people are getting me. I'm not gonna say when we marry, you see the talk to Ram. If you can deny this proof that the whole world have seen, then wait till you know if you deny again. Wait till you know if you deny again. If you can deny this proof, then tell me what and what you can actually not deny again. Lie, now you get them. Criminal acts, now you get them. You're not loyal, nothing. Sometimes I dey cover you up for some of my friends. Hey, what's up, bro? You know cook? I'll thought say I no cook, or I will say I cook but you finish. But meanwhile, I no cook. Why? Because I won't cover your shame. Will be our shame. I won't cover them because now blood dey my body, no be water. Now blood in my body, no be water. You hardly cook. It's just as if you've gotten what you want and you're not putting up characters. You're not bringing out different characters. See yourself. You go regret this thing. I'm not even ready. Let nobody even say, I'm not even ready to even accept you back. I'm not. Nobody will go push sugar for a mouth. We go come out. Like this as I did like this. I like him. I like him, oh. I like him. Any man who don't pass through this thing go understand me. When I don't say where you did, I'll give you money. Still yet, food no dey house. Where you dey, I'll do everything. Reach your wiper. I would say call him your diaper. I'll buy them. But you get money, oh. You dey take monthly allowance from my hand. But I might still my own, you go see one they collect. I'll buy everything for you. But now, for the past how many months now we never dey, Abby? How many months now we never dey house? Like, it's as if I'm living like normal boy life, boy's life, kind of like a bachelor, feeling alright. I'm seeing peace same peace. Come to think of it, wetin I do you. You should have told me towards the time we were dating. Oh, I'm not interested. I'm not gonna force you. Wallahi, if I force you, make I bend. I will never force you. Assume you tell me, Lemon, I'm not interested anymore. I'll just think over it and okay, thank God you tell me. I'll leave them. But now you know, see, we've gone a long way. I've done a lot of things for you. You want to backslide? You want to backstab me? Tell me, where on earth I've actually gone wrong? I just want to know. You're using me to chase clout online. Now, Lord of Lemon is now the person bloggers are using to create content right now. No blogs where I never see myself. You're having issues with your wife. Interviews. I'm so rejecting every interviews right now. Because there's no interview I feel they want to ask me something that I know it is not concerning me and my ex-wife. Tell me. Sometimes I used to ask myself, how did I fall into this? How come? How is it possible? How did I get here? Is it really me? These questions I've been asking myself. I've been asking myself these several questions. It's funny though. It's funny. But I still believe God knows this. God knows the best. You know the fear. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for the day of the courts. You come online at times, you say rubbish, you say nonsense, you say anything that pleases you, just pop it out, say it. Your mouth, they leak all